Hello, hello, and hello. Welcome to another rendition of Math is Easy, step by step. So I'd like to go over another GED type of question you're going to see here. If x squared plus 3x equals 10, which of the following is a possible value of x? A, -2, B, 5, C, 2, or D, -7? So I want to point out there are two possible ways to answer this question. And I'd also like to say, in many times in mathematics, there's typically more than just one way of answering a question. And so, that's real important to know. And so let's go ahead and raise this up a little bit. And I like to go over those two different type of ways. The first way to essentially uh, solve this type of question is to set equal to 0 and factor finding all zeros of the equation. So we're going to set this equation equal to 0 like you see over here by moving that 10 from the right side of the equal sign to the left side. Right? We do that by doing the opposite of adding, which is to subtract both sides by -10. And what you see, you end up here. I'll go over this in a little more depth further on in part 2 of this particular um, video in answering this question. But there'll be part 2 and part 3 for this question. Another way we could do that is we could substitute the values for A, B, C, and D into the equation that you see, x squared plus 3x equals 10, where the value, let's say for A is -2. Everywhere you see x, we'll substitute a -2. We'll follow PEMDAS, the order of operations, in order to simplify. When one side equals the other side of the equal sign, so 10 equals 10, then you know the correct option to choose A, B, C, and D. So I'll get into that a little bit further on in part 3 video, I believe. And I'll go into in depth for each A, B, C, D answer until I find the correct answer, and showing you step by step how to solve these particular type of problems. So, I got a bunch of GED type of questions. I finished with my high set questions. I'll be working on the GED math exam type of questions. If you have any specific question, whether it's GED, high set, or something else, if I'm able to answer those type of questions, I'll create a video for you. Go ahead and just DM me, message me directly, and please understand that sometimes when a DM is sent, it's not always received on my end. I'm not able to see it. So if I don't respond right away, please continue to DM me. I will look and find that response if it be possible. All right, thank you for joining me. This is part 1. Math is easy. Take it step by step. If you like these videos, please follow, like, and share these videos. Help me to reach 10,000 followers and 100,000 likes so I could earn some stars, some gifts, some tips from my learners, and I can continue to create these type of videos. I need to re-up my supplies. I need more ink pens, more papers. I got to pay for the electricity and Wi-Fi and so many other things. So thank you for your time. Remember, math is easy. Take it step by step.